run up and down in my new puddles.
You have Bulldozer shoes. Can you tell me why or where they come from?
From a shop. Sorry, from a shop.
Do we have Bulldozer boots?
Wellies?
Do we have Bulldozer boots?
Yes.
So where's your Bulldozer boots?
What about over here? No. What about over here?
No, they're not in there. They're in the pram. They're not inside the box. You can look inside the box if you want, but there's no wellies in there.
But there's one in the prams.
But the pram is outside and it's really cold. We're not going to go outside now. What's inside the box? Can you show Daddy?
Shoes.
What type of shoes are they?
Like. What?
Okay.
Like. Open it. See, they shoes. Oh, they are not. It's an empty box.
Okay, well, why don't you close the box and put it back in the wardrobe? Tomorrow morning we'll wake up and look at the wellies, okay? Tomorrow morning we'll wake up and look at the wellies.
Oh, I will. It's in the prom.
Tomorrow we'll go and get them, okay? Tonight we'll go to sleep and tomorrow we'll wake up and we'll see the wellies. How's it sound?
Fun.
Okay. Say bye-bye to the
That's
camera.
my yitter.
Say bye-bye to the camera.
That's my yitter.